Got that sauce. I want to put a little bit more sauce on it because that sauce was really good. Have a taste test, see how we did. Mm. Oh, yeah. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to pamper ourselves. I have a beef inside skirt steak. I got my Mojo marinade, and it's a citrus marinade. And we got some peppers. We're going to throw the peppers in the Blackstone, and we're going to cook this skirt steak on the Blackstone. But first, we're going to marinate this. So come on with me. Let me show you how I put this together. I don't go out to the store all the time and specifically buy this, but I saw it and I really wanted to treat myself. So I said, what the heck? And you should do that. You should absolutely treat yourself. All right, got it out there. I got my Mojo marinade here. I got 2 cups of that. We're going to go ahead and pour this over it, and we're going to let it marinate. I have some peppers here. I got a red, got an orange, and I got a yellow. And we'll go ahead and we're going to roast them in our Blackstone inside of our air fryer. So come on, I'll show you how we do that. The Blackstone air fryer, I have it set. I have it on high right now. And I've never done this before, but I'm sure it's going to work. Go ahead and put those peppers right on in. We'll get some char on there. I'm going to go ahead and make a nice little sauce to go with our skirt steak. We are going to strain it and right in to a bowl here. There you go, guys. About, I don't know, maybe 2 tablespoons to that. I got some zesty horseradish sauce. We're just going to get that right in there. You know what? We're just going to use the rest of it because there's not a whole lot there. I say that's about perfect. Got a little bit of Hellman's mayonnaise. I'm going to go with a nice helping tablespoon of that. Then give it some little bit of color. Take a little bit of ketchup and about a tablespoon of ketchup. And go ahead and mix this right on through. And that's it. What's that? 4 ingredients. A little bit of orange, a little bit of mayo, a little bit of horseradish, and some ketchup. Take your finger. Give yourself a taste test. Oh, yeah. That orange comes through nicely. And then you're hit right behind it. You're hit with this zesty horseradish sauce. Look at these peppers. Perfect. In an air fryer. And all we're going to do is just cover them with a little bit of saran wrap. And we're going to let them steam. And man, are they going to be good. Have you ever roasted peppers in an air fryer? Listen for the sizzle, baby. That did not go on the way I wanted it to go on. Let that cook on one side, and we're going to flip it over and cook the other side. Alrighty, guys, go ahead and give this thing a flip. Oh, look at that. Look at the color on that. Oh, that's going to be some good eats right there. That's going to be some happy eats. Give this another 2 more minutes on this side. We're going to take it off and cut it up. Those peppers. Oh, look at that. Look at the char that on there. All right. And it, oh yeah. Look at how easy they peel off. Go ahead and peel these down a little bit. Alrighty, guys. Go ahead and check this. Oh yeah. Perfect. All right. We're going to go ahead and pull this off the grill. We got to let it sit for 15 minutes. We're going to clean the grill and we're going to cook some of our taco shells. Back in a little bit. All right. Go ahead and throw one of them on there. I got a little bit of cheddar cheese. Put some cheddar cheese on there. Get all nice and happy. Let's go over to the table and let's cut this steak. I'll show you how we do that. All right, guys. So with every skirt steak, the grain is running this way, long ways like this. So what we want to do is we want to cut off a piece like that, nice sized chunks, and we're going to cut it against the grain like that. And look at how tender, look at how juicy, guys. That is some juice there. I'm not going to bore you with the rest. When we get done, put this thing together. All right, guys, let's hit this with a little bit of that sauce. Right on there like that. Couple pieces of that steak. Flip this bad boy over. Oh yeah. That's going to be some good eats right there. All right. Let that cheese melt up. We'll come back and have a taste test. All right, guys, let's take this off the grill. Have a taste test, see how we did. But, oh, that's looking really good. Good help is hard to find. Family is even worse. All right. Let's have a slice to see how we did, guys. Oh, yeah. Nice and crunchy. Got those peppers in there. Got some cheese in there. Got that sauce. I want to put a little bit more sauce on it because that sauce was really good. Have a taste test, see how we did. Mm. Oh, yeah. Those peppers, perfectly done in the air fryer. Can't beat that. Everything is done on the Blackstone. Cooking the peppers, cook the steak, cook the taco shells, get them nice and crispy. There you go, guys. Skirt steak tacos. But until next time, as always, God bless and happy eats. All right, guys. So the Airstone Black Fryer, the Blackstone air fryer